do you guys got? Turn the kitchen light for me, babe. Here we have Bonnie and Haggis. Haggis is the bigger one. He's got an ear down still. He's kind of easy to spot. He's the one that Bonnie always wins against. Bonnie, come on. Come on, Bonnie. There's Bonnie. She got both ears up. But she's the boss. Make no doubt about it. Where you going? Come on. Haggis. Uh-oh. Somebody's going to go dusting for me. What is it? What'd you guys find? What is it? What is it? Mama got something? Oh, is it biscuit time? Uh-oh. What are you guys doing, Haggis? What do you eat?
Kibble.
Piece of kibble?
And Bonnie, slow down long enough to get a drink.
What you doing, Haggis? Where'd you go? Come on. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Are we doing something we shouldn't? No? What are you doing? What you doing?
Come on, Haggis. Come on, Gus.
Ruby, quit barking at them. They're not going to hurt you. Bonnie, Haggis! Haggis! Haggis. Come on, guys. In the end, almost. What you get?
You're my buddy.
It's the shot on Tuesday, the day before they travel for Dulles and to Club Pit. Enjoy, Jennifer. You got a couple good ones here. We like them a lot.